Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to turn off Google Assistant on home button in Realme C67 device. Google Assistant can sometimes be triggered accidentally when pressing home button. This can be frustrating for users who don't frequently use or rely on the assistant's features. Well, here are the steps. First thing first, open please the settings menu on your device. Okay. After that, you can scroll down and then you can select the system menu. Well, and then here you can choose gestures menu and then you can open navigation mode. Well, and then in this section you can select the second and then you can click on settings icon here. After that, to turn off Google Assistant on the home button, you can press this button. Okay, and then now the Google Assistant on home button on your device is successfully turned off. Well, that's the tutorial on how to turn off Google Assistant on home button in Realme C67 device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.